Hello. Today friends, good morning. Today I am telling you the chapter 13.1 of ncert, limits and derivatives. One by one question. First question is our limit x plus 3 where x tends to 0, and if you put by substitution method, if you put the value of 3 in the question given, then we find that 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Come on to the second question. Limit x minus 22 by 7 where x tends to pi. Students, be careful because here 22.7 is not the value of pi, it is a numerical value only, so we consider it only putting values. In place of x we put the value of pi only. It is on answer. Okay? On next question, question number third, limit pi r square where r tends to 1. If we put the value of r in question, we get pi only. Come to question number 4, which is important question. Sorry, this is the wrong question. Now come question. In this question we only put the value of x in this and we get 19.2. This is wrong, sorry. Now we come to question number 5th, where getting x to power 10 plus x power 5 plus 1 upon x minus 1 where x tends to minus 1. If we put the value of x minus 1 into the equation, we get x power minus n plus minus divided. According to this, with 1 minus 1 equals to 0 plus 1, we get minus 1 by 2 is the correct answer of question number 5. Come to question number 5th. So question number 6, where given that x plus 1 whole to the power 5 minus 1 upon x. If we put the value of x tends to 0 in the given equation, we get only 0 by 0, which is not correct. So we let to suppose that x plus 1 equals to y, and if x plus 1 equals to y, then if we put the value of x in this equation 0, we get y equals to 1. Now the equation becomes y power 5 minus 1 upon y minus 1 where limits y tends to 1. Now using the formula x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a equals to n minus 1. If we put the values of x according to the formula, we get 5 into 1 to the power 5 minus 1 to 5 into 1 to the power 4, and if we multiply 1 into the 4 times, we get only 1. So if we multiply 5 into 1, we get 5. It is the correct answer. Any doubts, you can ask me in comments, and please like and share. Now we come to question number 7. Limit x tends to 2 for the equation 3x square minus x minus 10 upon x square minus 4. In this question we break down the up numerator of the question into factorization by factorization method, and denominator also. We can add numerator as 3x square minus 6 minus 5 x minus 10 upon x square minus 2 square. Limit x tends to 2, that 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 x minus 2x plus 2. Now limit x tends to, according to this, we take common x minus 2 and we get x minus 2 x minus 2 cancel, and we get that 3x plus 5. Now we put the value of 2 in the given equation, we get that limit 3x plus 5, that is limit x plus 2, then the correct answer is 11 upon 4. Now we come to question number 8. Limit x tends to 0, x tends to 3 for the equation x to the power 4 minus 81 upon 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Limit x tends to 3. X we factorize the numerator of the question, x square plus 9 and x square minus 9 upon 2x square minus 6 x plus x minus 3, which is equals to limit x tends to 3. Student, please remark that limit x tends to 3 is written very important. इसे लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. इसे अगर नहीं लिखेंगे your marks will be deducted for the limit. To limit x tends to 3, that x square plus 9 and x square minus 9 upon 2x, we factorize the denominator of the question and we get x minus 3 as here from here question, and we get 9 plus 1. Now with the values of x in the equation after crossing this, dividing this, 9 plus 9, 3 plus 3 upon 6 plus 1, 18 into 6. This is 9 plus 9, 18. 3 plus 3, 6, and 18 into 16 upon 6 plus 1, 7. 108 upon 7 is the correct answer for the question number 8. Thank you. Please like, share, and comment.